This is a quick graph video of how to graph a line if it's in point-slope form, if the line is in point-slope form. Well, first of all, you have to understand the point that it goes through. It's easy to say, when does this side equal 0? When does this side equal 0? Because 0 equals 0. Obviously, the left side equals 0 when y equals 4. So, if y equals 4, we have the left side equal to 0. And on the right side, if x equals -6, -6 plus 6 is 0. So the point -6, 4 makes this equation 0, both sides equal to 0, so it makes the equation true, and so the point -6, 4 is on the equation. So we go to that point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 4. -6, 4 is a point that makes the equation true. Here is the slope. If you imagine this line putting into y-intercept form, you would have 2/3 x, and you would not have any other x's, so the slope is going to be 2/3. So with that, we can move from the point we know up 2 and over 3, up 2 and over 3, up 2 and over 3, and going the other way, creating an accurate line, and then you get out your ruler, and you can draw in the line. So there is a quick, accurate, we hope, graph of the line. Now, another thing you need to be able to do is obviously find the x and y intercepts. Here, they're fairly easy to read off and we could count, but we also want to be able to do it algebraically. So to find the x-intercept, you make y equals 0, and you solve the algebra. So in other words, if y is 0, then you have -4 equals 2/3 of x plus 6, and you solve that. In order to find the y-intercept, perhaps the easiest way to go is to just take the equation and put it in y-intercept form. You could make x equals 0 as well. So you have a choice, x equals 0 or switch forms to your decision. I'm just going to switch forms. So y minus 4 equals, I'm going to distribute, 2/3 x plus 2/3 of 6 is 4. And then we have y equals 2/3 x plus 8. So the y-intercept is 8, slope is 2/3 as we expected. Over here, still solving to find out the x-intercept, we have 2/3 of x plus 2/3 of 6 is 4 equals 4. So we have 2/3 of x equals, subtract 4 from both sides. Sorry, that was a -4. That was going to be trouble. 2/3 of x equals -8. So 2x, let's take this one step at a time. 2x equals -24. Multiply both sides by 3. Then divide by 2. X equals -12. So the x-intercept is -12. -12, 0. That makes sense. The y-intercept is 8. 0, 8. That makes sense. So there's a complete graph with the intercepts labeled. It starts with the known point and moves up the slope, and you can get the quick, accurate graph.